Glad you dropped in, Woody. Hiya, folks. I'm happy you could join us. Woody and his gang have a real fun show lined up for you. You'll see many cartoons. But that's not all. Woody promises a special feature. There'll be lots of laughs and excitement.
Okay, gang. We're ready for the next cartoon. Let her roll. Guess who? Work and How to Avoid It by Hans Doolittle. Whoops! Time to eat again. Why worry about tomorrow? It'll be gone the day after. Starvation stared me in the face. Oh, that's for me. Shall we have a cartoon?
Now, here's the grocery list, dear. And Samuel, do be careful crossing the street.
Yes, Margaret, dear. Bread, butter, salt, egg.
Plasma.
Plasma.
Dog plasma.
Dog plasma.
Meat, potatoes, apples. Oranges, tomatoes. I would like a nice, juicy T-bone steak, please.
Here, I'll pay for that. See you later, Dad.
Bring me the meat, dear. Why, Sam! Oh, that's Samuel. Always clowning. Coming.
What you say, Maggie? You're a good kid. Hi, Fifi. How's my little French poodle?
Sam, it's Rover. He's talking.
You've been working too hard, Margaret. Rest a bit, dear. I'll be right back.
Milkman.
Coming.
Pardon me, Mrs. Smith, but would you mind calling off your dog?
Sam!
Sam!
Now, please, Samuel, stop this foolishness. in here? Why, the neighbors will think you're a dog. Oh, Rover, always hungry. Down, boy. There.
Maggie, I can't eat this. How about some ham and eggs?
Sam! Rover won't eat his dog food. Sam! Now relax, dear. Go get the paper. Rover!
Sam, you bit me.
Now stop that barking. Oh, I'll get you some aspirin, dear.
Crazy, mixed up kid. Thinks I act like a dog. Preposterous.
Hey, watch it. Hey, don't forget my ham and eggs, kid.
Get out of here!
Poor little kitty. You're a good kid.
Dear Sam, I can't take it any longer. Goodbye forever. Love, Margaret.
Plasma. Plasma. Dog plasma. Dog plasma.
Fifi! Fifi, will you cook me some ham and eggs?
Yes.
You're a good kid.
This is the model of a jet plane that can fly faster than the speed of sound. Since the Wright brothers invented the first airplane in 1903, the plane has become a very important part of our lives. As Woody's special feature, he has put together a film titled The History of Aviation. It is such an interesting and exciting subject that Woody insists to be presented in 3 parts. So here's the first episode of The History of Aviation. Take it away, Woody.
And now, my fine people, presto!
One of the first attempts at flying was by means of foot power. It's full speed down the ramp and into the wild blue yonder.
Whoops! Back to the drawing board.
This bird-like invention turned out to be strictly for the birds.
Hey, watch that gopher hole!
Here's the fellow who dreamed up the first rocket ship. He had the right idea, but the wrong approach. He's off at the countdown. Now he's down for the count.
Looks like he got a hot rocket in his pocket.
This flying baby buggy was designed for the carriage trade.
Uh-oh, it blew its top.
Cool heads and quick hands pulled the unlucky inventor to safety.
And he didn't even lose his hat.
The first ones to design a plane that surprised the skeptics were the Wright brothers, Orville and his brother Wilbur. On their first attempt, they flew only 120 feet. But man had finally conquered the air, and it was the beginning of the great era of aviation. Glenn Curtiss was another famous pioneer in flying. His ambition was to design and build planes that could fly longer and faster than any others. The first airmail. President Wilson inaugurated this service. and the first airmail flight was from Washington, D.C. to New York City. One of the greatest milestones in aviation was Charles E. Lindbergh's historic solo flight across the Atlantic Ocean. The airship Hindenburg, on its last transatlantic crossing. Suddenly, tragedy struck. A spark ignited the hydrogen gas in the bag, and instantly, the entire ship was a flaming inferno. It seemed impossible that anyone could survive this Holocaust, but by some miracle, many of the passengers were able to leap to safety as the flaming wreckage crashed to the ground. Another giant step in aviation was the autogyro. It played a big role in man's aviation plans for the future. The helicopter, invented by Igor Sikorsky, is the workhorse of the sky and is well known for its daring rescue work on land and sea. These model airplanes were created by our air-minded youngsters. There's a variety of all shapes, styles, and sizes. When it comes to a boy's imagination, the sky's the limit. Many of these junior inventors have come up with new designs and ideas that are now used by our leading plane manufacturers. The big day comes when the boys fly their models in competition, and each one is hoping that his creation will fly the farthest and the highest. From these youths of today will come our great engineers and scientists of tomorrow.
Woodpecker figure C. Oh. Here's the cartoon. Guess who? Everybody thinks I'm screwy. Screwy is a loon, that's me. When I go on a driving spree, the coppers all get panicky. Pop my horn, strip my ears. So I'm screwy, but what can I do? I ask you. What are you looking for, Sarge?
I'm looking for speeders.
Speeders? What's a speeder?
A speeder's a guy that goes...
You mean like this?
No, like this.
Oh, I get it.
I didn't say... I said...
your ticket.
You mean I can't go?
That's what I said. No more.
Oh, you mean like this? How's that, Sarge?
Yeah, that's it. That's the way a speeder goes. Say, you're a speeder.
If you think that's fast, get a load of this. Boy, is it cold in Alaska.
I suppose you think that was funny. Come over here. I'd like to ask you a few questions.
Okay, what subject would you like to talk about? Women? Okay. What's the color of Jeannie's light brown hair? No coaching from the audience, please.
I got a notion to bust this over your head.
Oh, yeah? Well, I bet you wouldn't be so brave without that uniform.
Oh, I wouldn't, huh? I'll show you. I'll take it off.
Hurry up, you big flatfoot. Get him off. Get him off. Come on, you gotta take them off, too. Hurry up. Cut out the stalling.
I'm gonna break every bone in your body.
Come on, get him up, get him up, get him up! That's it, hold that pose. Steady now.
Motorcycle.
What say, Johnny?
I said follow that motorcycle!
You'll have to talk louder, officer. I can't hear a word you say. I said, skip it. I gotta be going anyway. Giddy up, Clara.
Why, you little shrimp! You can't do that to me! I'm an officer of the law! Come back here! You hear me?
Oh, taxi cab, fat boy.
Follow that horse and buggy!
Okie dokie, okie dokie.
Hey, you! They went that way!
Fat boy, keep your big mouth shut. A China boy show fat boy big shortcut. Are you sorry? Shortcut. Oh, so sorry. I look like a China boy take a wrong shortcut. Wanna ride, mister?
Follow that motorcycle, follow that horse, follow that buggy, follow that China boy, follow the swallows, follow the leader, follow me! Look, I'm a dive bomber!
How do you feel, buddy?
Oh, I feel fine.
You sure you're okay?
Yeah, sure. I'm okay.
Can I ask you a question?
Sure. What do you want to know?
Is it true that speeders go like this?
Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed our show. Join us again on our next program for a half hour of fun with your old pal, Woody Woodpecker.
See you on our next show. Bye now.